Hey guys, welcome back. So I am barefaced, obviously, because I'm about to get ready to go to Van Cleef & Arpels. If you guys saw my most recent unboxing, which I will link it up here in case you haven't, but you guys saw that I got a new piece, and that piece, I don't want to spoil it, but she needs alteration. She needs a little bit of help. So I'm taking it in to Van Cleef today to get fixed. And I'm gonna hopefully try to vlog. I mean, if you're seeing this, that means that I did vlog. So I don't know. This is my first time like actually in Van Cleef & Arpels in a long time, at least. So I don't know how well this is gonna go. Please don't mind the bags that I have to unbox. So I'm just gonna get ready now, and I'll probably show you my outfit before I leave. Don't know what I'm wearing yet, but hopefully I'll figure something out and I won't look crazy. Right now I'm wearing a Mickey Mouse t-shirt. I'm really hoping to look at a few bracelets. I don't really have much more on my Van Cleef wish list. Not that you would know, because I apparently refused to film my wish list video, but I only really have one more bracelet on my wish list. So yeah, if you guys are interested in a Van Cleef shopping vlog, then please just keep on watching. But wait, you guys already know what I'm gonna say. If you're not already subscribed, explain yourself. I know this is probably not the best way for me to tell you to subscribe. We do a lot of luxury videos here. I'm gonna attempt to do my first shopping vlog, and hopefully it goes well, and if it does, there'll be more. So if you guys are interested in luxury handbags, shoes, jewelry, this is where you're gonna want to be. So I suggest you subscribe. That's just my humble suggestion. And with that being said, let me go get ready, please. Immediately would be good. Okay, so we are about to leave. Alana's ready. Alana, turn around. Let's see your outfit of the day. She's got her bell dress on, some yellow bows. So I'm wearing this dress from Fashion Nova, and earrings I think are also from Fashion Nova, if I remember that correctly. I'm wearing my green 19 bag and my Hermes bracelet, and obviously my Van Cleef bracelet, and my, how am I gonna do this? This mirror is also super dirty, but I'm not the one who cleans this. And my Bottega shoes. I just probably showed everyone my hoo-ha. And I'm wearing my Bottega shoes. We're in the car and we're about to leave now, but I just wanted to give like an up close of my makeup. I went with something pinky to match this pinkish vibe, and Alana really wanted me to wear my pink mini rectangle, but I wore that pink mini rectangle with these pink Bottega shoes and like a Zimmerman, like an actual Zimmerman dress pretty recently, so I didn't want to kind of repeat that. So we didn't go with that. That's why I threw on the 19, but I think that the green 19 goes really well. I don't know. It's what I'm wearing, okay? And Alana's showing off her book. So are you excited, Alana, to go to Van Cleef? Yeah. She thinks like we're gonna buy her something. We're not buying you something at Van Cleef, Alana, okay? We're not even buying me something at Van Cleef, okay? Okay? Okay. Okay. All right, so I will see you guys when we get there. Woo!
That's pretty.
You like them?
Yeah.
Daddy's gonna love this.
I like the last flowers.
Which one?
Love flowers.
This one?
Yeah.
I like these a lot. So cute. You like the butterfly too? You like the butterfly or flowers?
I like both.
You like both? I like that one.
I like that butterfly by itself. Let's go.
What else do you want to look at? Ooh. Oh, they have all the nice stuff here.
Like that
White
watch.
gold stuff.
That watch is pretty.
Oh, that looks just like, well, my necklace is a small one.
Look at these all colors.
Doesn't that look like my
I
set?
like the heart and butterfly.
The heart and butterfly is your favorite?
Look.
Oh, that's like my little necklace, but that one has diamonds. Okay, don't go back there. Don't go back there. Stay on this side.
Yes, they make it fun thing.
I love this. I'm gonna send this to my husband. Then you can see like exactly.
It's such a cool ring.
God, it's like the dream. Maybe you can put the rose gold in the center. I mean, they'll probably move wherever they feel like going.
But it's so beautiful.
Oh my God.
Can you give me the ring?
No, that's like exactly what I had in
This
my
is
head.
a picture.
So cool. What? Sorry. Ooh. Oh, this is a different. I thought it was like a continuation. Hi. Oh, they still have some Versace? Should we go in?
Yeah.
Oh. It's not as heavy as I thought.
You want to take a birthday?
Oh, baby, that's not the right store. Hi. I like that one. Oh, they're so cool. Aren't they so cool? I don't want to mess it up. I love them.
They just brought in this color too, which this is like my outfit.
No, this would match so many things. This would match what I'm wearing. Not perfectly, but it would.
I feel like maybe that one might be a little better.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yes, no, this one's definitely better.
To match, right?
Yeah.
But I look at this too.
It's also, this is like a nudie pink. Go. Alana, you gotta get it together, girl. You gotta sit down or nicely walk. Ooh, these are cute. You are just. I'm sending all of this to your father. She's gonna. No, that's it. That's it, baby.
This one next. This one next.
No, this one is even better. Stop. No, I love this actually. I really love this. This is
one's
super
actually
cute.
on sale.
Is it?
Mm-hmm. This one is on sale. I think $8.75.
What? That is not bad. And this is like the movement right now. It's
is.
all about wicker and.
This is cute. Also, like we have a tiny. We're doing a lot of little tiny
I
bags.
love this. I really love that one.
This one is really cute. We only have one of this, and it has the long chain too. I mean, it's the most practical thing. No, is it the cutest thing in the whole life?
Did you have fun with me?
Yeah.
You're so funny. All right, so we're done at Van Cleef. Alana got a little candy from our lovely SA. She was amazing, honestly. So it's gonna take about, oh, my hand's in the way. It's gonna take like 2 to 2.5 weeks for them to resize it, which sucks. I thought they did it on site, but they're not gonna do it on site. So they're gonna send it to their office in the city and they're gonna have it resized. We stopped by Versace because I saw some Versace in the window. They didn't have the only baguette that I liked. I'll put a picture of the one that I liked here. I mean, obviously the collection's been out forever at this point. Now we're gonna head home, Alana. Oh, we also saw some Chanel fine jewelry, but I wasn't really able to show any. I only probably showed like a short clip of the watches. I think I saw some J12 watches. There were some Coco Crush pieces, but there was kind of like a security guard right behind us. So that is it for today's video, right, Alana?
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it looks like I'm looking, it's because the camera of the phone is here and then like the screen is here. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Obviously this was my first ever shopping vlog, so please go easy on me. But I'll get better as I continue shopping. So it's just another reason for me to continue shopping. Definitely follow me on Instagram. Hold on, Alana. Definitely follow me on Instagram if you guys are not already. I'll leave my Instagram right here over Alana's face. I post every single day over there, and that is it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.